naman na ikaw sinungaling na pwede kang makontempt ng committee and pwede kang makulong.
Your Honor, hindi ko po nakita yung birth certificate po nila at hindi rin po ako yung nag-prepare po. Wala po akong idea po doon sa birth certificate po nila.
Madam Chair, pwede makasingit?
Yes, Sen. Rafi.
Kasi during the last hearing, she did mention na siya po ay a love child, right? Okay? Pero alam mo ba na kasal yung father mo at saka mother mo?
Naitanong ko rin po sa kanya, sabi po niya sa akin, hindi po sila kasal.
Bakit nakalagay sa birth certificate na kasal? Married October 14, 1982, Angelito Go and Amelia Leal.
Senwin, wala po akong idea po doon sa birth certificate ko po na hindi po ako yung nag-prepare po ng birth certificate ko po.
You did not prepare the birth certificate. Okay, andun na tayo. Pero at least you should have asked your father na bakit ganito. Sabi mo, kasambahay siya. Eh kung kasambahay siya, eh bakit kasal kayo? Bago ka pinanganak, kasal na sila. And then lumilitaw sa birth certificate, kasal din siya. Iba-iba yung date ng kasal ng father mo dito sa mother, supposedly mother mo. So parang twice kinasal yung mother mo dito kay Amelia. Hindi mo ba tinanong sa papa mo yung discrepancy? I would have asked it, especially ikaw, mayora ka na. You didn't ask that.
Your Honor, hindi po kasi namin pinag-uusapan po sa bahay regarding...
I don't think
Opo.
so. I don't think so. You bilang nasa public service na holding a higher office at LGU, you would have been curious. Di ba? Kasi sabi mo, sooner or later, ito'y mauungkat, ito'y tatanungin sa akin. Kailangan ready ako sagutin yan. I should tell the truth and you should have anticipated the fact na ikaw ay balang araw mapapatawag sa isang hearing tulad nito. So in this case, you are not prepared. Halatang may mga butas tong my statement mo kasi you should have asked your father, Dad, kung ako'y love child, how come na kasal pala kayo ng nanay ko? Eh, tapos pa na yung sabi mo na nabuntis lang at pagkatapos nung mabuntis, tumakas na. Umalis na yung nanay mo. Eh, hindi, lumilitaw dito. Nagpakasal pa ulit yung papa mo sa mama mo. So, you should have asked that. Come on, Dad, give me a break. Tell the truth. I deserve the truth, right? Mayura ka eh. Oh, he didn't ask that? I don't believe you.
Your Honor, yan po yung truth. Hindi po namin pinag-uusapan po sa bahay. Medyo sensitive po yung topic po, kaya hindi po talaga namin
But
pinag-uusapan
you're not
sa bahay.
interested about the history of you and your family. Well, that is very important. Sabi ko nga, tumatakbo ka at nasa public office ka. Diba? So, in your case, hindi niyo pinag-usapan. Are you willing to undergo a lie detector test?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Para paiksin natin dito, ma'am, Madam Chair, sa lahat ng mga sinasabi mo, especially dito sa na ikaw ay love child, na hindi pinag-usapan ng tatay mo, everything about you, everything about your past, you're willing? This is voluntary though, and hindi naman to acceptable sa korte. Para dito lang, para naman to help you at the same time. Kasi kung nagsabi ka ng totoo, then it will help you na para malaman ng taong bayan na nagsasabi ka ng totoo. On the other hand, kapag it's the other way around, then dito malalaman na ikaw sinungaling na pwede kang makontempt ng committee and pwede kang makulong. Oh, is that fair enough? Okay, last na naman po, Madam Chair, and then I'll give it back to you.
Yes,
Madam Chair,
Senator.
siguro I would like this committee to invite the mayor, the previous mayor. Sino ba yung mayor na kaibigan mo na nag-endorso sa'yo? I want it to come from you.
Ang former mayor po, si Mayor John Feliciano po.
John Feliciano. So, Madam Chair, invite natin si John Feliciano kasi base doon sa mga sinasabi ni John Feliciano sa publiko when he endorsed her to be his successor. Sabi niya, is a good friend, etc., etc. So, maraming alam si Mayor kasi hindi naman siguro endorse ni Mayor itong si Ma'am Alice Go kung hindi niya talaga ito sapat na kilala. So, maybe the previous mayor, the ex-mayor can shed light about who really Mayor Alice Go is. Salamat, Madam Chair. I'll give it back to you for later.
Salamat, Sen. Rafi. As the Chair mentioned earlier, para sa susunod na